Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of NetworkFlow. Today I'm gonna show you how this powerful tool can simplify your network automation process. As we all know, network automation is a key part for modern network management, but we are facing a lot of challenge. The biggest challenge I think is the steep learning curve for both editor and the end user. NetworkFlow is designed to simplify everything, to lower the steep learning curve. For editor, you basically only need easy to learn Jinja2 template knowledge. And for end user, you don't need to know any specific skills. You just fill a couple form and you're able to generate a configuration. Okay, let's look into the detail of a NetworkFlow. NetworkFlow has three key components: node, template, and job. Let's go have a look at the template first. Okay, now in the screen we have a template to create a SS backhaul. You can see each of these boxes is a node. In the node design phase, we will need to design that what information is required for this node and how this node gonna process the information user input and the user to generate a template. For end user, you just need to fill in all this information and then you will get a job. So this is a job example. You click run, you will get the configuration for the SS backhaul for this job. Okay, it's a simple. Let's go back into how we can design a node. Let's have a look at the layer 3 interface, for example. So a node has two parts. The first part is the layout. It's how the node gonna looks like. It's using HTML language, but you don't have to know HTML language. There's a layout wizard to help you to create if you're not familiar with HTML. Basically, you just need to add component you need. For example, if I need another information for, say, VLAN ID, I just type the name here, VLAN ID, and you will choose a type, how you want and the user to type input it. You can choose input select or the text field. Let's just use input as an example. Then the key part is the data key. You will need give another key for it. See, this is just called VLAN ID, same with the name. Then you click apply. You can see it will automatically generate this part for you, and you can preview the change. You can see we now have the VLAN ID here. Okay, so this is the first part, layout. If you're very familiar with HTML, you can customize using your own HTML code. The second part is Jinja2 template. Basically, in the first part, we will define the data key, and when after user typing all this information, it will pass to the Jinja2 template. As you can see here, we are using the information user input in the layout. For example, this one, interface name, match this one, and the interface unit. Also, you can use variable from other nodes as well. So this is the Jinja2 template part. After we design how the node looks like and how we use all this information to generate configuration, we can go design our own template. In the template design phase, on the left side, you can see all this node we just create. We just simply drag and drop onto the page here. You can see you got the node here. Then you just link the output to the input. Then you have your own flow. Also, if you're doing a very complex deployment, you can create multiple tabs as well to see you have a DCA. So in the DCA, you want this PE, you want this layer 3 interface. You can do that by adding a multiple tab to have a very complex network template. After you design the template, you just simply save or update it. Then for end user, you just go click the play button. Then you fill all the information. Then you click run. You then you will get the result. Okay, this is the key things for NetworkFlow. As you have seen, NetworkFlow simplify the complex network automation task into just a flow chart everyone can use. Also, it's easy for everyone to get involved. Basically, it's all you need to know is a Jinja2 template. You make it accessible to all user of all level. Also, you can modify every single detail of a node, allow you to adapt into no matter you're managing a small network or large one or even multi-vendor environment. Network can help you to streamline your operation. Yeah, that's the demo for today. Thank you, everyone.